In theory, it's just a car stopping, but in reality, it forces dozens of others to stop as well. No one shouts immediately, no collision happens right away, only frustration building second by second. And when patience hits rock bottom, park time is always there to capture what happens next. You might want to pay a little more attention to the road, my friend. Parking spots can be found again, but calmness should be kept from the start. A brief moment of entertainment on a cold winter day, thanks to a car with no manners. That temper is getting a bit hot. Take it easy, my friend. Let's just hope he's okay. This is exactly why crosswalk lines are not decorative suggestions. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. Parking in an underground garage is a sport that requires both skill and nerves of steel. How did he manage to reverse like that? Was it intentional or not? What do you think? Wrong spot? Just lift the car and give the road back immediately. A few more seconds and the garage would have a new owner. Just 2 moves and the car is out of the parking lot fast and clean. This is dangerous. Don't try this, guys. Just a small mistake, but still pretty neat, right, ladies? That has to be a professional racer.
Hey, sir!
That's not a fair move, my friend. Don't do that.
Hey!
He's busy looking for a parking spot. She's busy holding her ground. Maybe she should just close the car door and head back to her beloved kitchen. Do you think his car actually fits? Let me know in the comments.
Oh my God!
There may be many empty spaces, but only safe ones are worth parking in. This isn't a parking lot, it's a metal puzzle game. Stuck in a parking lot? Not a problem for a professional. This isn't a traffic jam. It's a Rubik's Cube made of vehicles. A parking spot doesn't just need room for wheels, it also needs clearance ahead. No exit. No giving up. 12 attempts and the car is finally free. That kind of interaction is pretty costly, truck driver. You chose a cool parking spot, just didn't expect high-pressure water. Will you destroy everything, or will I? Relax, I have more experience. The car is luxurious, but the parking style is not very considerate of others. The only empty spot is across the road, against traffic. What would you do? No button needed. The car teaches you a life lesson automatically. It works perfectly on paper. Outside, it hits a brand new car immediately. This is insane. Just look at what's happening in this parking lot. The car blocks the road, but this guy refuses to block his schedule. Just a small parking mistake, and suddenly it gets very expensive. The driver decided to build his own private parking lot.
Look how this person parked, right? So whoever owns this car, time you park, make sure to be courteous of others and not take up 5 spaces.
Thank you for doing a good deed.
Stays there. There you go. There you go. Congratulations, escalate.
The car is parked perfectly. Unfortunately, the spot no longer exists. No ticket needed. Here we handle it on the spot. If there's no parking space, don't worry, we have a solution for you. One wrong parking job can be solved with money, but one impulsive decision usually ends with a much bigger bill. She didn't run from the tow truck, she towed the tow truck instead. Do we need VAR for this, or is the result obvious already? Around here, one wrong parking move can earn you an unforgettable experience.
They didn't come back in time, those guys.
This is why people say, put the tools down first, then talk. This is a clear example that traffic safety starts with the simplest actions. Are you planning to park here or keep going, driver? Remember to pull the handbrake before getting out. Safe for both you and your car.
Use my goddamn parking spot. Go find your own fucking shit. God, what a fucking pussy, dude. I'm gonna whoop his ass. Oh, shit. Oh my.
Never take the parking spot of a lifted pickup truck.
My mommy bought this for me.
One gentle kiss between a classic car and a supercar is enough to turn coffee time into an insurance meeting. This is why people say parking also requires strategy. Parking just a little off, and you end up with extremely picky neighbors. You thought you could bully her? Not that easy. Watch her reverse. When you park in the wrong place and the city says, "No pushing, just carry it away," that's when traffic laws stop talking and start acting.
Whoa.
This time there's a turn.
Who said this
And
car
now-
can't climb obstacles? At least the car is cleaner now before meeting the insurance company. The story begins with a parking spot and ends with a lesson no one expected. If you enjoy real-life moments like these, Park Time is always ready for you to follow.